Yeah, but it's huge.
Got potential.
This is directly over my house right now. I have only ever seen a tornado once in my lifetime. It was behind our car when I lived in Virginia when I was a little girl. It was way down the road though, but it was following the car, and I've never ever seen a tornado developing above me. But if you can see it, you can see where the rings are to show you that this is really moving. They're going off somewhere else. And this is what we would call the eye, although it has not touched ground yet. Now, I'm surprised our sirens are not going off. This may be the last thing I ever film or take a picture of. You see that right there in the middle? They're getting ready to collide. This is certainly a big cloud. Big cloud. As you can see, I'm going to go all the way around this cloud. This is on top of us. It's not heading this way, it's over us. This is right above me. That is just really 3 houses down. That eye right there is about 3 houses down from me, from where I can stand right now. This is directly above me. That is the edge.
We need to pack up all the games.
That should have been done when you heard the thing going off. You see, my son has a thing about the game systems. He thinks that everything's going to go pretty bad here any minute, but this thing could go 5 miles down the road and start a tornado. Might not ever do anything for all we know. Huh? What? The Cox guy? Oh, well, that's probably just protocol. What are all those things doing on that stop sign?
What thing? Oh, I don't know.
There's still hail on the ground. It's a very comfortable weather right now. Hardly any breeze. There is still some breeze, though. But really not cold. Not for what you would assume. Why are they shutting down? Craziness. I have no clue what all that's about, but I just noticed that. It's interesting. A little Art Deco by the kids in the neighborhood, apparently. It looks like this end of this cloud is dissipating somewhat. It is shifting and moving in what direction? Northeast. Child is still concerned about stuff. He's got to get 2 batteries for his camera. Oh, his camera. Uh-oh! There we go. Here goes some more stuff from the cloud.
Mama, that's rain.
Yeah, rain. But notice now the cloud's moving really fast. Very interesting. I've never had an experience like this before. I don't know what the sound quality is on this thing because it's going to be breezing over the microphone. It's raining right now. It's drizzling. It is moving. The center is moving. A semi-circular movement. The raindrops are really big and getting on my camera. I'm going to cut it off now. No, maybe not. Sort of slow it down a little bit. This cloud is still very much over my neighborhood. Very much over my neighborhood. Dissipating over my house. That doesn't mean, though, that I can't have any tornado come and touch down and take our house out, which is, of course, right here. It's my house. I'm going to shut this off again, start right back